Okay, next we'll go to added a little different, changed their head profile just a little bit. I realized the nose, the cat's noses, and they've got kind of eyebrows and some things. You can use a little bit of some brush strokes here. And of course, there's the whiskers, like that. A little bit of drama there. And you see how I'm just sort of lightly taking that and creating the whiskers. A little bit of a shadow here, so a little more contrast. Okay, so tune that up just a little bit, and then what I want to do next, we're going to do a dog, and the dog looks like it's running. Looks like kind of a terrier, kind of an image. This is where I'm going to use my different color pencils. So I'm going to get a brown. I like the brown, and this is maybe that's just the way it printed, but I'm going to use a dark brown. Actually, I'm going to use kind of a red, dark red pencil, and I'm going to draw the face of the dog. Its big nose. Up this way, its eyes. Maybe a little too big. Make them smaller. And the idea of abstract and some of these quick studies is just because they're fun. The tongue, the edge of the face here, a little higher forehead. I guess I'm gonna make the eyes a little smaller here, and then the ear that sort of wraps over. This one sort of flares out like this a little bit. A little bit of a cartoonish look to it. It's good. Here's the top of the shoulder here. And just this impression of its back paws here. And here's its front paw. The shoulder coming down. And then the paw just sort of ends down here someplace. See that? But the idea is that you're just really these quick studies. It's his mouth. Okay. Again, it can be kind of sketchy. That's fine, because the watercolor, let me get a different, make sure I got clean water here. Again, the pencil itself sort of blend in a little bit because it's meant to. Went from the black. So I like this yellow. I like this idea of this yellow face. One thing about also doing this abstract concept and spontaneous is that maybe you sort of pick colors that just don't exist there. Just have some fun with some different colors. I'll pick and this can be kind of these really strong out of the palette colors too. This one's turned a little too. Maybe a little more yellow. And we're just going to put this in here. I'm going to pick it up, move it over here a little bit. A little too strong, I think. And I'm just going to put some water here. See, and the pencil will pick up a little bit. See that? It kind of melts in. So sometimes just that pencil alone will be enough to. Now let's do the white in through here. Look at the nose. Just added more water to it. And dogs tend to have a little bit of a little peak down here like this. We'll just put that in, let that dry. I'm gonna put, let's see, I'm gonna let this be in here just a little bit under the inside of his ear. A little bit of a shadow underneath his neck. I'm gonna blend it in just a little bit. And let this dry. Yep, let this dry. We'll come back and do some detail work on that.